In this video, I'll be giving you my XM affiliate program review. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. XM is a well-known Forex and CFD broker, and its affiliate program provides an opportunity for marketers and content creators to earn commissions by referring clients. Today, I'll break down how the program works, its features, and what you can realistically expect in earnings. The XM affiliate program allows affiliates to earn money by referring new traders to the XM platform. It's free to join, and once approved, you receive unique tracking links, banners, and promotional materials that can be shared on your website, blog, social media, or other marketing channels. Whenever someone signs up and starts trading through your link, you earn a commission. One of the key features of the XM affiliate program is its flexible commission structures. Affiliates can choose between CPA, cost per acquisition plans, where you earn a fixed amount per new client, or revenue share plans, where you earn a percentage of the trading volume or profits generated by your referrals. This flexibility allows you to pick a model that best fits your marketing approach and audience. XM also provides a comprehensive affiliate dashboard. From here, you can track clicks, signups, deposits, and commissions in real time. The dashboard is user-friendly and gives you insights into your campaign performance, helping you optimize your strategies for better results. Another advantage is XM's reputation as a regulated and trusted broker. This credibility is important because it makes it easier to attract referrals, as potential clients feel more secure trading with a reputable platform. XM also offers multilingual support and marketing materials, which can help you target audiences across different regions. Now for the pros. XM offers multiple commission models, reliable tracking, a strong brand reputation, and marketing support, which makes it accessible for both beginners and experienced affiliates. Payments are regular and transparent, and the program provides resources to help you maximize your earnings. The cons. Affiliate success depends heavily on finding the right audience interested in Forex and CFD trading. Marketing financial products also requires compliance with local regulations, so it's essential to follow all rules to avoid issues. Additionally, earning substantial revenue takes consistent effort and traffic, as commissions are based on signups or trading activity. Overall, the XM affiliate program is a legitimate and potentially profitable option for anyone in the finance or trading niche. With the right strategy, content, and audience targeting, you can build a steady income stream by helping others discover a trusted trading platform.